Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard to an iPhone keyboard on your Google Pixel phone. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna download an app and we're gonna open Play Store and we're gonna look up Green Apple keyboard. There we go. And then we're gonna click install to download the app. So after it's installed, we're gonna click open, and now it's gonna send you through a guide. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna enable the keyboard in the settings. So you're gonna click on this green button, and then you're gonna see Green Apple keyboard. You're gonna enable it. Agree to this, press OK. And then we're gonna come back, and then you're gonna press this green button again. So you're gonna switch input method, so from Gboard to Green Apple keyboard, and that's it, you're done. So you can adjust some settings right here, but if we come back, for example, and open a keyboard, you will see that you have an iPhone keyboard now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.